guys, today we have a pack we're going to light off here. This is an old ICC Class C pack. I bought this as a lot item and didn't know it was in this bad of shape till I got here. So, yeah, it's in such bad shape, I'm just going to light it. Unfortunately, I'll keep the label and yeah, let's open it up. Here we are, guys. Beautiful old firecrackers. As you can see, there's no green fuse. It's going to be a quick light and run on this one. Let's check it out. Doesn't want to go. There you go. Smoke. Oh, I hate these when they go super. There we go. Wow, those are really loud. Holy cow, guys.
Dad, I heard that from in the car.
Those are really good. Wow.